Road to a Millionaire, episode 5. Man, this is my first car meetup in Scottsdale, Arizona. Scottsdale, Arizona has a crazy car enthusiast scene, and I just been sleeping on it. But there's a lot of people who make a lot of money out here, and you can see that these type of cars aren't just regular cars. We're talking supercars, we're talking Huracans, we got Aventadors, SVJs, we got McLarens, we got Porsches, we got Ferraris. This is only a small snippet of the whips that I saw last night. But guess what? I did get a clip of me driving down the freeway, and it was just fun. I never thought I would be a part of a cool car meetup or whatever, but I guess my car is qualified because I drive an AMG. So me and my homie Garrett, we pulled up, and yeah, man, I learned a lot. I met really good people. It was fun, you know, like everyone's super down to earth, all walks of people, you know, young, old. But yeah, I had a lot of fun. So check out this quick clip of me driving down the street with the bros. Having the perfect mindset for being a trader, it's pretty hard. You gotta stay on top of your mind, your body, your spirit, and you gotta stay busy. You know what I mean? With all this time freedom, sometimes you can get into these like slumps. You can get lazy. You can sleep in a lot. You could do whatever you want. But for me, I need to stay sharp. Just got done with my workout, and I'm at In-N-Out right now, so I'm about to kill this burger. Go back to the crib, shower up. We'll do this trade breakdown for you guys on USD CAD. And then, yeah, it's Friday today, so I'm gonna make a withdrawal, probably take out like 8K the weekend, keep it moving, you know, road to a millionaire. Not too close, but I'm not too far, so if you're new to this channel, tap in and like and subscribe. I made $6,141.64. Proof right here, live account. And so let's get straight into it. This is a USD CAD buy, and it was essentially a good setup. So I'm going to break it down from the higher time frames, and then we'll get straight into it. So you can see USD CAD on the 4-hour time frame, and you can see higher highs and higher lows being formed. So this is a very simple structured bullish trend. And the other thing is I see that price is respecting the 20 and 50 EMA. So these red and black lines that you see, those are the 20 and 50 EMA. So it's just an added visual for me to understand that price is not only creating higher highs and higher lows, but it's helping me understand where price could possibly go outside of just the traditional trends. So let's hop into the 1-hour time frame, and you're going to see that again price is respecting and essentially going higher. But we did see a big break to the upside, and right here you can see a traditional break and retest. So price broke out of that structure and then landed near this yellow area, right? So you can see that I created another area of interest on the smaller time frame, giving me more added clues that hey, price is respecting this area, right? We see price wicking out, exhausting, right? So the sellers are starting to exhaust, and then the buyers are kicking in. And so this was another basically clue for me to look for a potential entry. So now what I want you guys to see is the setup, right? If we hop back out to the 2-hour, you can literally see a break and retest. So break and retest just means a break outside of a major structure, a retest along a specific support area or resistance. In this case, this is support. and then we have that continuation, okay? I didn't need anything else. Right here on that 2 hour, you can see that price is starting to respect on that 50 EMA, and we are also near the support. So this is strictly a price action trade. And since the US dollar is starting to get stronger, we had the interest rate announcements most likely to continue to go higher. We are going to be bullish with the dollar. So let's go ahead and play it out. And I'll kind of zoom in on it just as, so we see price starting to push higher, right? And it wicks out at that EMA. And this was that 1 hour support, right? So now consolidation, still respecting the EMA, still gradually going higher. So we need to break above these for more confidence. And then guys, look right here, this is a 1.53 risk reward. I do believe my stop was a little bit tighter. So we'll figure that out, right? But look, right here, we see it trending higher, and then a big bullish candle, quick retracement along this. This is a retest, so another break and retest on a smaller time frame, continuation to the upside. We're almost at TP, and boom. So TP smacked, and everything was good. So what I'm trying to say, guys, is like trading doesn't have to be complicated. You just have to find the opportunity and trust your instincts, right? It sounds super, super simple, but I am no longer emotional because I'm not tied to paying bills and, you know, I don't have anxiety. I'm just looking for setups and I'm getting into the trade, okay? So I made $6,141.64. And I was good for the week. I didn't really need a trade anymore. That is a great trade. I think I put 14 lots or something on this one. But yeah, I just wanted to break this down because I do have over 400 members in my free Discord. So I do trade ideas, trade setups. People take it, people don't take it. But people who did take this trade setup or this trade idea made some money. So if you're looking to join a free Discord, no upsells, no nothing, I'll provide that in the description below. I do use GatesFX. That's a broker I use. It's a preferred broker that I use because of the 2 hour withdrawals. Alright, so me and my boy Michael, we just pulled up to, oh my god, fucking dripped out. What's up, bro?
What's going on, my guy?
How you doing? You need my number, right?
Vehicle.
Nate.
And what's the last name?
Barnes, B-A-R-N-E-S.
Perfect. Just give me your return ticket. And I will take those keys from you and you're all set.
Thanks, man.
Very nice.
Yeah, thank you. Alright, y'all. So we just pulled up to the Remy, and we're gonna be going to this place called, what is it called?
Honestly, I have no idea. I just know it's called the Remy.
It's called the Remy, and we're about to eat. So we're about to get it in and have a little bit of fun. Yo, what up? All right, so I'm with my homegirl Kate. We're at Elefante in Scottsdale, Arizona, and she is in real estate. So she does everything out here. She does the high-end stuff. She knows all of her shit, and we're just kicking it right now. But she's educating me on actually how to get a house and stuff. So if you're actually moving to Phoenix, go ahead and tap in. Links in the description below, and let's get it. Time to work. Life's been pretty good lately, you know, like I have the ability to, you know, eat good and have productive meetings with my friends, my associates. Like I'm over here talking about real estate plays, which is something that I was never able to do, but now I can, you know. So, you know, this is all part of my journey, and it's again all because of trading. You know, if I didn't trade and get better and better, these kind of conversations would have never happened for me. So I'm truly thankful. Y'all, so I just Went to 151, spent a bag, got me a little fit. Albert, he just helped me out. You guys in Scottsdale, Arizona, go ahead and hit him up. He knows everything about fashion, so yeah, we cooked up, got me a little fit, a couple fits actually, and yeah, I'm excited. Let's get it.